Welcome to our Homologa tutorials where we explore tips and tricks from Homologa, the global crop protection database. Today we will review the Plant Protection Module, Basic Product Information. This module covers the basic details related to global crop protection data. It currently contains information from 94 different countries including product name and registration information, which is registration number, registration or expiration dates, and in some countries we will also be able to check the last commercialization date and the last use date. We have registrant information and the status of that registrant and all the details regarding active ingredients for all products. This module features 4 different dedicated filters: active filter, product filter, company filter, and phrase filter. In this table, you can check all the available fields for this module. Feel free to pause the video here in case you need to check these fields in detail. Let us jump into the tool and check how this module works and what kind of results it provides. Now that we are here in the main interface, in order to go to the module, we have to click in the Search tab and then go to Plant Protection Products. Within the list, we are going to be able to select Basic Product Information. Once in the module, you can see that I can start entering a region or a country, like in all the modules that we have in Homologa. And below we have the 4 dedicated filters that I mentioned. We have the active filter with all these sub-filters. Then we have the product filter, the company filter, and also the phrases filter. This is how the different options for filtering look like for this module. As an example, I will extract herbicide information for Germany. I would like to know what the information for this type of products is for Germany. I can go ahead and insert Germany here in the country filter. And then I would like to select herbicides. To do that, I can go ahead and use the product main type filter and select herbicides. Now I can run this report and then Homologa is going to extract all the information that we have at this level for the product type that I have just selected. We have got 3,700 results. Here you see the results, the table that I can get from Homologa. Starting from left to right for all those columns, you can see that we have the trade name, the name of the product, the registration number, active ingredient combination, the concentration, and the formulation. We have company information as mentioned before. The product status, if it's registered or expired. The phrase information, and then if I scroll to the very right, I have my links. For example, if I want to explore the second result that I have in this report, I can go ahead and click Links. This will take me to this particular product from the original data source in Germany. Going back to the tool again, I can check my product registration date, my product expiry date, my last commercialization date, product last use date. There are quite a few options available for you in this module. This is really an easy-to-use module with the basic level of information for crop protection data. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these tips and tricks for using Homologa helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.